Alright, hey guys, we're using double take today. This is gonna be very sad for me. Ignore the incorrect banner. This will be the last time this system gets seen. I'm taking it down. Hopefully not permanently, but this is it. I'm coming to an end. Lots of reasons, family reasons, personal reasons, etc. I will not be getting rid of any of this stuff that I'm aware of. I know the panels I won't be, so don't be asking for stuff. So we're gonna go over the last stuff on this board. This is my MS9200 UDLS. This is the addressable fire alarm control panel I've had for the past 2 years, year now, I forget, 2 years. Which was given to me by a guy that I know from my old state. And this is an annunciator box for this annunciator here, which does not go to this system. That's what's housing the ATA, which is what allows me to dial to Alarm Link. This is my DSC Power Series Neo. It's an HS2064, given to me by the same guy. With this DSC keypad. I don't know DSC keypad numbers. This is the Power Series 1 with the wireless thing in it, the transceiver. This is a PowerG transceiver, and this is a wireless repeater. This is to this DSC, which is the Impasa. This is the WS4936 smoke and heat detector combination. Where's the... This is a First Alert smoke detector. It's hardwired, but not actually hardwired in. It actually talks and stuff. That is one of the very few things I've actually bought that goes to the fire system. That is the, it's forgetting me, the SD365 photoelectric smoke detector. I don't know the model of that. I could look. I have the box somewhere, but it's a Gentex device, and that's the Wave 2. This is my EST SIGA, and this is a Simplex Chevron. Dual monitor module, the plate's missing, and then my annunciator. Those devices, the SIGA, the Chevron, the annunciator, and that device were all given to me by another guy that I know on Facebook. And then we won't talk about that because I'd rather not be in more pain. And this is just some generic freaking exit or emergency light. So I'm not going to be setting off any alarms. I'll pull this, which is tied into that monitor module, which is set as the weather zone. So basically it'll just go into an alarm, but no alarms will sound. So 3, 2, 1. This is the last system test or activation. We'll acknowledge from that. Reset from here. So when I'll start this process of removing everything off of this board, aside from the security stuff. So I know the double take video has been kind of crappy because if I zoom too far out, I'm too close here. but I wanted to use it because it's a feature I have on my 17 Pro Max, and I figured I would. Reason why is this is the space I have to work with. So, one final look at the board.